Hello and welcome back to English with Tom, or English pronunciation with Tom. Today we are starting a new series of videos called Learner Focus, where we look at trying to help a certain group of students. So today this video is to help Japanese students with some common errors that they have with English. The L and the R sound, so and R, and then the A and sounds. So let's get started. So first we have the L and R sounds. Very common error with Japanese students, but also lots of different Asian students. So for the L, have a look at the diagram here. You need to touch the back of your and the top of your teeth with your tongue. L, l. So touch the back of your top teeth with your tongue. L, l. So the R sound is a bit different. You don't touch the back of your top teeth with your tongue, and your tongue kind of curls back. R, r. For you Japanese students out there, kind of make the U shape with your mouth. Your mouth needs to be round. Not the sound, so not U, but just the shape. Like R, R. So that's a little hint there for you. So let's have a practice. L and R. Have a look here. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, all the way to P. If you hear a L sound, go left. If you hear a R sound, go right. So for example, light, light. So we go left. Pray, pray. So we go right. Lead, lead. So left. And fry, fry. So right. Okay, that was the practice. Now, test time. Listen to me carefully and try and follow the diagram. Which letter do you get to? Are you guys ready? Here we go. Listen carefully. Light, light. Play, play. Red, red. Fly, fly. Okay, which letter did you get to? What's your answer? Okay, the answer is C. So light, play, red, fly. Good job, well done for those who got C. Let's try one more. Test 2. Okay, this time I will say any of the words in any order. So left or right, top one, first one, last one. So any order, and be careful. And also, I'm going to cover my mouth so you can't see. So it's a listening practice, okay? Good luck. Let's try. Right, right. Play, play. Lead, lead. Fry, fry. Okay, which letter did you get? The answer was J. So right, play, lead, fry. Okay, there you go. Okay, the next sound, which is a vowel sound, which is can be a problem for Japanese students, is the a, for example, cat, and for example, up. If you know this chart, the sounds at the top, you have a very narrow mouth. The sounds at the bottom, your mouth is more open. The sounds on the left, you have a wide, very wide mouth. And the sounds on the right, you have a round mouth. So for example, a, you have a wide mouth, a, and it's very open. For example, cat, and, at. Can you guys think of any more examples? Then the sound, so it's a little more towards the round. So it's for example, up or cup. So if we move from a to just have a think about where is that sound coming from. So first, think about your mouth. What's the position of your mouth? So the sound, your mouth goes from being wide to a little bit more round. Okay, test time. No practice this time, just listen to me and follow the maze to the right letter. Okay, first one, you can see my mouth. Are you ready? Let's go. Cap, cap. Hat, hat. Cut, cut. But, but. Okay, what letter did you get to? Here is the answer. D, so left, left, right, right. If you got D, well done. If you didn't, think back. Where did you make the mistake? Okay, test time 2. Again, I will cover my mouth and see if you can follow. Okay, are you ready? Listen carefully. Cap, cap. Cup, cup. Cut, cut. Cat, cat. Tricky, all the cut words. What was your answer? Which letter? Okay, G, well done. If you got G. So it's cap, left, cup, right, cut, right, cat, left, to end with G. Nice. Well done for you guys who got the correct answer. So what I think you can do is copy down, make a note of that same alphabet game. And if you have any other students or friends who are studying English, want to improve your pronunciation, test each other. Pronunciation is a listening skill, but also a speaking skill. So it's great if you can test each other. Okay, well, that's it for today. Thank you very much. Please share your video with your friends. Please like it, follow the channel, leave a comment. Is there any kind of English pronunciation you would like to practice? And turn on the bell for notifications. Okay, guys, thank you. That's English with Tom. Bye-bye.